I'm not an architect, but I liked the program. Can I use it? Unfortunately, if you are not a professional architect or a 3D visualizer, you will not be able to create a presentation in Kluch application, because Kluch is a product that allows you to take a scene already created by an architect and import it into the program. For example, here is a finished scene, which was created by our architects, and the cameras placed on the side. So if you are not an architect or a 3D visualizer, you will not be able to use Kluch application. But you can order the design from us simply by sending the request to our studio. You go to our site, programmer-Kluch.ru, and go to Turn Kluch section. You fill order call, and our designer will contact you. The second option, you can share Kluch application to any architect who is working with 3D visualization or an architectural studio that does it, and they will easily use Kluch and insert all the materials created by them directly in the Kluch application and show you the presentation.